Hi, it's Kina. Welcome back to my closet, and it is time for another episode of Love It or Lose It. So, as you know, we've been doing handbags, and I have a plethora of them, so probably be doing them for a little while. So, we're still doing handbags. So let me go ahead and show you what I used last month, and we'll get into seeing what I'm using next month. Okay, let me just start with this guy. This is Rebecca Minkoff little clutch. Cute, cute, cute. Got the little cards in there. Love this. So cute for just, you know, not wanting to haul a big old heavy purse around. Also really cool to have this and just kind of slip it into my backpack or whatever if I need to. So yeah, obviously you could probably guess I'm keeping this. I love it. It's so pretty. And it's my aesthetic. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Keeping. You may see behind me like start to change as I go through these. So I'm going to be putting them away and hopefully in a more delicate way. Anyway, next I have this Aldo bag. Beautiful for fall, which is almost over sadly, but I'll probably use them this summer too. But yes, I absolutely love this bag. So if you want to see like more details on these bags, I'll link the previous episodes so you can see that. I don't want to get too into that now because I'm going to show you the new ones and we'll get into it with those. But yes, I love this bag. Keeping this. It's gorgeous. Then we have this guy. This is the Forever 21 bag. I have decided that I'm over it. It's super cute, but it annoys the crap out of me. This zipper pouch right here makes it lose its shape. It like breaks up the structure. It was a mistake to put this here, seriously, because like it flattens this bit out. It drives me insane. Also, these don't stay out like they're supposed to keep it square. Like one side will be more in than the other, and it's just lopsided and annoying. And then when you use it with the strap, it just makes it even more misshapen. So as cute an idea as this is, the execution was poor in my opinion. I don't want to use it anymore. I do like it. It's just too much. It's too annoying. I don't want to fuss with my bag when I'm carrying it. So my mother-in-law actually really expressed some interest in this. And I'm going to let her mess with it and see if she likes it. Because, you know, she might enjoy it. She thought it was cute. And I know it's cute. I hope she really likes it. So I'm going to send it to her. So there's that. Next, I just had this blue nameless bag. It's cool. You know, it's all right. But I don't love it. So I'm also going to pass this along. She likes big bags, my mother-in-law, so I'll see if she likes this one too. If she doesn't, she can get rid of it. I don't care, but yeah. So I'm gonna pass those two along to her and see if she enjoys them more than I do. Okay, now we get to the Gwen Stefani l.a.m b. Now just so you know, my friend was like, I said it's a l.a.m.b bag, and she was just like, oh! l.a.m b is the brand. It's Gwen Stefani's brand. It's like l.a.m.b. It's an acronym. This is made out of PVC, 100% PVC. So anyway, I adore this bag. There's no way this is leaving me. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So we're keeping this. I love her. Okay, so out of 5 bags, once again, that's 2 that I'm decluttering. I feel really good about that. So, I mean, that's like a third of my bags that I've just decided aren't good enough to be in my collection. Feels good. So let me move on to what we're gonna try for the next month. I have them on this side. Okay, so the first item, let me check. Oh my God, I don't even know. I don't know who this is. Let me see if I can find it. Don't you love when there's like there's nothing to say whose bag this is. That's not a good sign, but I don't care. Anyway, here it is. It's just a little pink bag. It has a strap. It's a little weird, the strap, because it doesn't like unsnap. So if you don't want to use the strap, you just kind of have to tuck it in here. And this is kind of the way I was thinking I would carry it. But anyways, that's what it looks like. It's just a cute little bag. It has these cute little studs and the little handles. I mean, it's adorable, right? Why have I never used this? And I've had it since summer at least. I don't know. It's so cute. I need to use this. So I'm gonna do that. I have no idea whose it is, what designer I mean. So yeah, whatever. It has a zipper pouch and then the two little pouches down here. The inside is pink as well. So there's that. Then I have this bag right here. It looks like it's seen better days. I don't even know who this is. Oh, it says Kenneth Cole. So it's leather, but it's like it got wet and it got this like weird water damage. It's like wrinkly, but I don't know if it bothers me. I feel like it kind of adds to the whole thing, so it's cool, whatever, we'll see. But it's just a nice neutral color. It has the snake skin printed handles, magnetic closure, the usual, you know, 2 pockets and the zipper pocket. So yeah, I used to wear this all the time. So we'll see if I can bring it back. You sensing a theme here? I'm kind of going neutral. Everybody's favorite neutral, black. So this guy is gorgeous. I love it. It has this pocket on the front. It's got the, it's really good shoulder strap here. We'll see if that one slides off and is annoying. I can't remember. I remember really liking this. I just haven't used it in a while. So it's huge. It's got the same zipper and 2 pouches. Plus it has like an extra little ruffly pocket here. This bag is by Fossil. Once again, I got it at a thrift store that I go to for like new shoes and bags, and it's a Fossil bag. It was $36. So it was such a deal. So beautiful. I get like Jeffrey Campbell shoes there because they're like brand new and then somebody decides they don't want them and they're my size, and it's like somebody keeps doing that or something. So I keep getting them and I'm not complaining, whatever. But yeah, I look forward to using this again. We'll see if I love it. But I still love it. And now getting into the not so neutral. This one is really, really fun. It's a Betsey Johnson bag, so get a look at that. It's crazy. It has this like heart embroidery and this giant sequined bow, and it has little heart details like the hardware. It's so cute. So cute. And it's a pretty good size. Let's see, it has the like Betsey Johnson design inside. It's just cute. It has 2 pockets. It has a strap. They have like a chain and the hardware is gold. And again, the zipper pouch. So they're all the same, right? Anyway, I love this bag, but I've only used it a few times, so I'm gonna use her and see. But it's so cute. So I want to use this again. It's been a long time. It's been about a year since I've used this. Why? I don't know. Because it's been hiding in a cubby hole somewhere. Let's stop doing that. Moving on. Okay, so I was at the store and I saw this bag and I was like, well, I decluttered like 4 or 5 handbags already, so I'm gonna buy myself a new one. So I got this guy. It is a hobo bag and it's beautiful. I love this. I love how small it is. I know it's not like tiny, but like it's a nice medium-sized practical bag. It has like a pocket on the back. It has this little zipper pocket on the front that goes like all the way in. I can put my phone in here. It's so cute. It's brand new. I haven't taken the tag off yet. This kind of like brass hardware. And then let's see what's inside, shall we? So it does have a zipper here and then an extra pocket here. The other side has the usual 2 little pockets. And the print is so cute. I'm obsessed with this bag. I'm definitely looking forward to using this. I'm so excited. So we thought I would throw it in this project because I haven't used it yet. And if I change my mind, I can still return it. But I don't think that's gonna happen. But we're gonna put her in the project anyway, because I have to use it this month. I have to. And I've never used this, so it qualifies. Okay, I love that bag. I mean, I think I do. I've never used it. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, that's going to be everything for Love It or Lose It for this month. Thanks for hanging out with me while we go through all these purses. It's been so fun and I have a long way to go. And when I'm done with those, we're going to switch to a new category. So I'll be doing this project for a while. If you guys want to leave like comments down below, that would be awesome. I love talking to you. If you want to subscribe and you haven't already, that'd be nice. And yeah, give it a thumbs up if you want to see more. So that is everything. I will see you guys next time. Bye.